Hey guys, Wages World coming at you. Going to give you an update on what's going on here. Hey, we've had two eruptions here on the sun, the X flare and an M flare. They're going to kind of combine into one, and we'll see that in just a second. But as you can see here, guys, there's been four bigger flares just in the past few days. Radiation storm, geomagnetic storm. And as we get moving on here, guys, we're going to scroll down, and you're going to see the NOAA model. This NOAA model is showing these two bigger eruptions. It just updated a few hours ago. And what you're going to see here, they're going to combine almost into one. Now, these are not direct hits. They're very close to direct hits. Now if this model is off by, just a little bit, we could be getting a bigger geomagnetic storm, or we could be getting hardly anything. But you can see here, look at the density. That black is very high dense material. And as we move on here, this is the SDO. This is the extreme ultraviolet. And I'm giving you guys a few little views here because you can see the atmosphere of the sun, the corona, get disturbed. And you'll see the little puffs and the here and there and everywhere. But look on the right side as we go through this. Now you're going to see that the right side of the sun here is just very active, and it's coming from that same area of the sun that did the X flare and a few of the M flares. But let's not forget, we have the sunspots behind them also. That's the 31 angstrom. That gives us a pretty good view there also. Again, this satellite is just sitting out in front of our planet. It's in geosynchronistic orbit. It stays over the same part of our planet at all times. But it is always looking at the sun. It's like the big eye on Lord of the Rings. Okay? Now, there's some stealth CMEs here on the front also. Can't really see them. So we can't really tell if they actually made it out of the sun's corona. Now, if they did, we could be getting hits that we're not really aware of yet. And that's happened quite a bit, especially during solar maximum. There's so many things going on, sometimes we miss things. And this 94 angstrom here gives us a really good view too. You can see these things just popping everywhere. Now, this is Lascaux C2. It's about 1 million miles closer to the sun. If you look on the bottom left there, you will definitely see a graph there. And it's showing you where the satellite's at. But check these eruptions out. Now, I kind of did this. There's 1, 2, 3 eruptions on the 5th into the 6th. Okay? And these are the bigger eruptions. There's also some other ones. So, come on back for the full update later. God bless. Yahusha saves. And, you could drink this Kool-Aid.